What is up, boys? I'm back with another video. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. Let's get it started. So I took my first trade right on this candle because if you look at the past, let me open my pen. If you look at the past, every time that we have sent two red candles, after that we had a green one. Okay, so that's my reason to go with buyers here, because this is the third time this happens, so we can trust this. Okay, uh nice. We have a strong, okay, I'm gonna go with buyers right on this candle. We have a strong momentum to the upside, so and then we have a pattern and continuation sign, and that's my reason to go with buyers here. And also we have a trend line. Okay, we lost this trade. I'm gonna go double trade for the next candle, and this trade is same as my first trade. We have, every time we had two red candles, we had the next candle as a green one. So, and also this is a uptrend, so it makes sense to go with buyers here. And I placed two trades because of the previous loss, and I'm pretty sure about this trade. And also we had a level, okay, pretty strong level, so we can basically take this trade. Okay, now we see an engulf here, so we will wait for a retracement, because this is a trend line, and we can have a retracement candle, and we cannot trust this engulf by itself, because we have a trend line here. So let's see what we will get. Okay, the next level is also here. Okay, if this candle closes like this, we have a new pattern, which is 3 bar up. Then, okay, this is a continuation sign, but it broke this level, so it might have a retracement, so I cannot really trust it. And also it broke this level. I cannot go with buyers here, okay? So I'm gonna change the, okay, we have also 3 bar up here. Okay, we have, Okay, I go with buyers here with little marginal safety because we have a 3-bar up with retracement. This is the retracement. Okay, so this is the retracement and we can go with buyers. Also, there's another reason to go with buyers, which is this trend line here, which can support the price to the upside. That's my reasons to go with buyers here. But let's see. Okay, that was very close, but it was a win. I guess that's enough for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked my trades, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Peace out.